Do you like broccoli? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like ice cream? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like broccoli ice cream? No, I don't. Yucky. Do you like donuts? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like juice? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like donut juice? No, I don't. Yucky. Do you like popcorn? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like pizza? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like popcorn pizza? No, I don't. Yucky. Do you like bananas? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like soup? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like banana soup? No, I don't. Yuck!
Do you like cooking? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I love cooking. I like cooking my favorite food in the weekend. Do you like playing sports? No, I don't. I don't like playing sports. You know, I'm lazy. I just like playing computer games. Do you like pizza? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I love pizza. It's yummy. I can eat 10 pizzas. Do you like dancing? No, I don't. I don't like him. I don't like him. You know, he looks like a girl. Watch TV. Cook. Swim. Ride a bike. Ride a bike. Play computer games. Read. Play sports. Hang out with friends. Do the household chores. pizza, ice cream, cola, noodle, dog, cat, rat, cockroach,